Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my videos then you'll know that I have recently been thinking about the prop firm FTMO and in particular taking their trading challenge to get a funded account. Well, this past couple of weeks I've actually come across the prop firm My Forex funds and I've been doing some research, and what I found about my Forex funds was actually rather shocking. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some more information about my Forex funds and how they compare to FTMO to see which one is better to take a funded trading account challenge. Let's get right to it. Just before we get into it, my Forex funds offer 3 different account types for their challenges. And in this video, I'm going to focus on comparing primarily the evaluation account type from my Forex funds against the different account challenges available with FTMO, which is a similar program to FTMO, but it has some big differences, which we're going to find out now. So first of all, let's compare the different account sizes that the prop firms have available with their challenges. And for this comparison, I'm going to stick to using US dollars because although with FTMO, you can choose whether you want an account in dollars, euros, or Great British pounds. With my Forex funds, it's purely in US dollars, so we're going to stick with that for this comparison. And using that, FTMO offer a $10,000 account, a $25,000 account, a $50,000, $100,000, and a $200,000 account, compared with my Forex funds who offer a $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 and $200,000. So they are pretty much similar with the packages they have available on account sizes. Now let's have a look at the costs associated with those different challenges. Firstly, with the $10,000 accounts with FTMO, it's going to cost $184 to carry out the $10,000 account challenge. Compared with my Forex funds, which is $84, there's a big difference of $100 there, where my Forex funds is significantly cheaper to carry out the challenge. Moving on to the 50,000 account challenge, FTMO currently charge $407 for this challenge, compared with my Forex funds that are charging $299. Again, another big difference there on price. And moving to the $100,000 account, FTMO are currently charging $637 compared with my Forex funds who are charging $499. And finally, the $200,000 account, FTMO are charging $1,275 against my Forex funds who are charging $979. So for each of those account types, as you can see, my Forex funds is coming out significantly cheaper than FTMO to take the challenge up front. Now I know that there may be some of you that don't prioritise the cost of these challenges that much because you have a lot of faith in your trading ability, but on the flip side of that, a lot of traders out there, that's a lot of money to take those challenges, and if you can save some money in those upfront costs, it can really help not only to make it accessible to carry out these challenges, but also to help with the emotional side of trading because you're knowing that you're not having to pay out that much money up front. So let's look at the details of what you actually have to do with those challenges and what the rules are. First of all, looking at the max drawdown, FTMO, as we are all pretty much aware, have a max drawdown of 10%. So if you hit 10% drawdown on your account during the challenge, that's it, you are done and you have finished the challenge and failed it. Whereas my Forex funds offer a 12% max drawdown rate. So it offers you a little bit more leeway, which may help when you are carrying out the challenge. Moving on to daily drawdown, they are both exactly the same for daily drawdown, so both FTMO and my Forex funds offer a 5% max daily drawdown rate on their challenges. But they do both differ slightly with their profit targets. So the challenges themselves are broken into 2 stages, and for stage number 1, for FTMO the profit target is 10%. So only when you hit 10% profit do you pass the challenge, provided you do not break the rules and you have hit the min trading days. Whereas for my Forex funds, they've lowered the profit target a little bit and set it at 8%, which makes it that little bit more accessible to achieve. And then for stage 2 of the challenge, if you pass stage 1 and you enter the evaluation stage, For both FTMO and my Forex funds, the profit target is set at 5%, so you do get that reduced rate profit target for both of those in the evaluation phase. Let's look at trading days now. For both FTMO and my Forex funds, you have to trade for a minimum of 10 trading days to be able to pass the challenge. Now with FTMO, once you have your live account, there are no minimum days required for trading, whereas with my Forex funds, that actually carries over only for the first month of trading your live account. So in the first month with Forex funds, you have to still trade for a minimum of 10 trading days. However, after month 1 in your live account, they remove this and there are no restrictions on the amount of trading days you have to trade for. Looking at leverage now, FTMO and my Forex funds both offer a 1 to 100 leverage rate. And FTMO have also recently brought out a new program which is designed purely for swing trading, but that has a slightly lower leverage rate of 1 to 30. However, the different trading restrictions can have an impact on your trading style, and FTMO do have a few restrictions on their standard account. So first of all, they do have restrictions on news. You're not allowed to hold any positions over the weekend. Although for their swing account there are no restrictions, you do have the lower leverage to contend with. On the other hand, with my Forex funds, there are no trading restrictions with their standard account, which can be a really big benefit to you. So the section that we all want to hear a little bit more about is profit splits. Now FTMO offer a 70 to 30 profit split. So that means that you keep 70% of profits and they take a 30% cut once you are trading live. Now my Forex funds does differ a little bit slightly and they have a tiered profit split system. So in month 1 of your live trading account with my Forex funds, they will take a 25% profit cut and you can obviously keep 75%. And this reduces as you carry on trading live. So in month 2, you actually keep 80% of those profits and my Forex funds takes a 20% cut. In month 3, you keep 85% of those profits and my Forex funds keeps a 15% profit split, which is where it stays at for the duration of your time with my Forex funds. Comparing the different withdrawals now between the two, with FTMO you can withdraw money from your account on a monthly basis. Whereas with my Forex funds, after you've been trading live for a month, you can actually request to withdraw your trading profits bi-weekly. So it does have those extra benefits for withdrawing profits on a more regular basis if this is something that you are definitely interested in. Let's compare the refund policy now. So FTMO will offer a refund of what you paid to carry out your challenge after you have passed it and gained your live account after the first month. My Forex funds offers just that little bit more. In addition to a full refund of what you paid to carry out the challenge, my Forex funds also offer an additional 15% as a bonus on the fee that you paid. My Forex funds also offer 2% of the profits that you made in stage 2 of your challenge, the verification phase, as an additional bonus once you have completed your first month trading live. But what happens if you follow your rules, manage your risk, you finish your challenge green but you do not hit those profit targets? Well, FTMO do offer you another chance to go at the challenge for free. They give you an extra month, but you have to start again from the beginning and you have to follow your rules and you have to try again to hit that target. Whereas my Forex funds have a very interesting offer for retakes. Instead of giving you another free go at it, they actually extend your account by 4 weeks. Provided that you followed your risk management, that you have not broken any rules and that you have finished green in your account. But if you have not yet hit that profit target, they will simply extend your account for 4 weeks. So for example, if you're trying to hit that 8% profit target with my Forex funds, and let's say that you finished the challenge up 5% in your account, they will extend it so you only need to gain that extra 3% and then you've passed your challenge. If after the 4 weeks you're still not successful, but you still finished green and you've still followed your rules, then my Forex funds will give you a free month to try again from the beginning. So you sort of have 2 options with my Forex funds to try again to complete the challenge. But what happens if you fail the challenge? Well, FTMO give you another chance to try again, but you have to treat it as a new challenge, you have to buy it again and you have to start again. My Forex funds, you have to pay for it again, but they do give you a discount between 10 to 18% discount on the price of your retry. So there's an extra incentive there that they're trying to help you out to try your challenge again. Looking at the scaling growth for the accounts, this is very interesting, and it's the ability to actually grow your account over a period of time. Now, FTMO do offer a 25% growth on your account every 4 months, provided that you are profitable for 2 of those 4 months and that you have made your 10% target. My Forex funds have a very similar scaling plan, so it's the same process every 4 months, provided that you're profitable 2 out of those 4 months and that you have made 10% profit. But my Forex funds will increase your account size by 30%, so you do get an extra amount added to your account as part of their scaling program compared with FTMO. Looking now at the different markets that you have available to trade within the 2 different prop firms. With FTMO, there are a wide range of markets available to trade, so you can trade Forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Whereas my Forex funds is a little bit more limited on the markets available to trade. So they offer Forex, indices, and commodities, but you cannot trade cryptocurrencies or stocks with their evaluation plan. So there we have a lot of information about the 2 different prop firms and a comparison between FTMO and my Forex funds. And let's just summarize some of the key points that I think really distinguish my Forex funds as a real strong contender against FTMO. Firstly, my Forex funds offer a greater profit split, eventually enabling you to claim 85% of the profits, compared with FTMO that is stuck at 70% of the profits. Whilst you are carrying out the challenge with my Forex funds, you have a smaller profit target to gain of 8%. There is a really good leverage of 1 to 100 and no restrictions for trading on that account with my Forex funds. Once you pass your account challenge and gain your live account, you do get a refund of what you paid for that account challenge, as well as some extra benefits and bonuses. If you don't manage to pass your account challenge, they do have an extension option that can really help. And my Forex funds also give you a larger drawdown rate of 12%. Plus, as an extra benefit with my Forex funds, you can choose to withdraw money from your account on a bi-weekly basis. So as you can see, guys, my Forex funds have many advantages over FTMO. In addition to the fact that all of their account challenges are significantly cheaper to carry out than FTMO's. This certainly makes my Forex funds a prop firm to consider for your funded trading account challenge. If you want some more information about either my Forex funds or FTMO, I'll include a link below in the description. Meanwhile, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!